Now, members, welcome again to this session. So, we are continuing with some hypothesis testing or some exploratory data analysis again. We have another claim that male postgraduate students are older than females. Is this true? From the previous session, we looked at how to get the average age of students, and we found that it was actually 5.61, like you can see here. But now, this one gives us the average for both male and female. What if we want to find out for males alone or for females alone? How do we do this? So here we are going to employ another package called dplyr. So we shall start by typing library dplyr like this, and we run it. After running it, now we shall start with responses data. Our response data. Then we shall use what we call pipe operators. Pipe operators look like this. And the way to get them, you press Shift Control M. And these are the pipe operators. They come from the package called dplyr. So you press enter. Then we are saying from responses data, what we are going to do, we are going to select, use a function called select from dplyr. And we are going to select these two characters, less gen and less gender, age. These are the two things we want to look at because they are asking us male and female and then their ages. So we look at gender and then age. Then we again pipe in. We say whatever you get from here, you just group. So for that group by, and we are going to group by race gender, by the gender character. So when you run this just like this, you see what it will do? It will only pick these two variables, gender and their ages. And you see it has given us 10 variables only, and the 10 observations, they are still more 82 because our total is 92. So this is what it does. But then this one has not yet answered our question. So how do we answer our question? Now we are going to say that now that you have shown us male and female, can you summarize looking at the mean age of these two groups? So we are going to again pipe in. We put another command that you summarize this function. And now we are going to call it mean age or average age. Let me call it mean age. This is the name we are giving it. We are actually creating a name for this. And say the mean age should be computed by looking at the mean of the race age, like this. So you're saying that after summarizing this, you also, after grouping this and selecting, summarize, create for us the mean, which should be computed by mean of the age basing on this. So when we run this, this is what it produces. You can see it has now summarized and told us that from all these values we are seeing, all these ones here, now when we summarize basing on the mean, the females on average, they are 36.1, and the males, they are 35.4. And now after getting these results, it comes back to our question. Are male postgraduate students older than females? That is the null hypothesis. Are they older than, that they are older than females? And the alternative is we can say they are not, or we can as well say that females are older than male students. But from our results, we can see that females are instead older than males. So we reject this hypothesis that male postgraduate students are older than females, and we accept the alternative hypothesis that male students are not older than females. Or you can say the alternative would be male females are younger than females. And yet that really proves that males in this category, in these respondents, they are younger than females. That concludes our session.